today I'm going to be doing an experiment about colloids. About what would happen if we put each of these substances into water. First, I'm going to be doing sugar in water. It's dissolving very fast, and it's creating a solution. You can't even tell that there was ever sugar in there, but it tastes just like sugar. Okay, next is borax. I'm going to get my measuring spoon. It turns milky white. You think it forms a solution? You think it dissolves? Just like salt would do. But really, it forms a mixture. If you wait a while, all of the borax will collect at the bottom. Okay, next is oil. There we go. Notice how the oil and the water do not mix at all, but instead the oil, which is denser than the water, collects to the top, which forms a mixture. Oh, and our borax has some of it is collected on the bottom, but it will later. Okay, next is pepper. I need to wash this off or else the oil might get in the water. Okay. So 1 tablespoon of pepper. Notice how it doesn't mix. I mean, it doesn't form a solution at all. And it floats, but it also sinks. But, I mean, it only floats because probably the bubbles. This is very messy. Next, we have Jello pepper. That is 1 tablespoon of Jello powder. But first, you must put it in warm water, stir it, and put it in the fridge for maybe half an hour. And it ends up looking like this. It turns into a colloid. And notice how the water changes as well as the powder. It changes its color. But stuff like the sugar, the water doesn't change at all. It keeps its properties, and the sugar does not. See? Okay, next we have cornstarch. Got a bit messy. It's 1, but we add 2. So it mixes with the water. And it creates a colloid. But this is a special colloid because it keeps both the liquid and the solid's properties. So it acts like a liquid and a solid at the same time. So if you put your spoon against it, then it's like a solid, but it's like a liquid, but it keeps a solid. Like if you squish it, it turns into a solid, but it gets a liquid too. So the sugar and the water was a solution. The borax in the water, as you can see from the bottom, was a mixture. The oil in the water was a mixture as it floated on top. The pepper in the water was a mixture. The jello in the water was a colloid. And the cornstarch in the water was also a colloid. So